Hello friends, welcome to ERA Creative. Today we are going to explore something super cool, AI generative tools. So, what are AI generative tools? They are amazing AI systems that can create new content like text, images, music, and videos. Imagine having a tool that can help you write a story, design artwork, or compose a song, all with just a few clicks. Isn't it cool? Well, in this video, I'll show you some popular AI tools and I will show you a demo of one of AI tool on how that works. So let's dive in. Large language models, prompt tools, image tools, assessment tools, media tools, grading tools, tutoring tools, differentiation tools. So these are the common AI tools that we are using. Assessment tools, grading tools, differentiation, tutoring, these are the tools that are used by educators. I have already started using assessment tools, grading tools, differentiation tools. What about you? As I mentioned earlier, I would be picking up one of the AI tools for my viewers, and that particular tool is Microsoft Copilot. I think some of you know about it, but for those who don't know, let me give a brief idea on Microsoft Copilot. Basically, it is a generative AI chatbot developed by Microsoft. So it provides real-time intelligent assistance, enabling users to enhance their creativity, productivity, and skills. So let's see how it works. So first of all, we need to go to the Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome browser. Here I need to type Microsoft Copilot. Once you enter the Microsoft Copilot, you will get this. There you need to click on search Microsoft Copilot. And if you are a first time user, then you need to log in through your Gmail account or a Microsoft account. So once you log in, you will get a page like this. Here you can see a new topic, right? You can ask anything. So first I'll just ask, what is Microsoft Copilot? Let's see. Yes, you can see it is generating, right? You will get the information on Microsoft Copilot over here. So it is an AI powered assistant integrated into various Microsoft products like Microsoft 365, Windows, and more. So you will get more and more information about it. If you want to explore more, then you can use these, right? Microsoft Copilot, learnmicrosoft.com. So the Copilot will give you more and more information about it if you need it. Or you can ask, how can I use Copilot in Microsoft? If you want to use, you can just ask. And one more thing, if you don't want to write anything, there is an microphone. You can use your microphone, like you can speak. For example, what are AI generative tools? So you can use by this way. Yeah, if I want to create a logo for my YouTube channel, that also Copilot can create. One example, create a professional logo for ERA Creative, which should contain pictures on education, word, etc. So let's see what type of logo Copilot is creating. Wow, so you can see the Copilot has created a logo for me under the name ERA Creative. Isn't it nice? Another interesting fact about Copilot is that like if you want to go to any place, like for example Switzerland, and if we we don't know about how the place is, right? Where we want to stay, all these things we don't know. So we can ask Copilot to make an itinerary on that. So I'm just going to type make an itinerary to visit Switzerland for 3 days with details on hotels. Copilot has generated an itinerary for visiting Switzerland. You can see day 1 where we can stay, morning, afternoon, evening, everything they have generated, right? Day 2, day 3, a plan. Like we will get a brief plan or brief idea on it. So this is very cool, right? I found it very interesting. What about you? As an educator, I want to teach students about photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis. I'll be using microphone. Can you please describe the process of photosynthesis? So you can see.
Sure. Photosynthesis is a fascinating process that plants, algae, and some bacteria use to convert light energy into chemical.
Yes, you can see about photosynthesis for students. You can use this. If you want to explore, you can explore it, right? For photosynthesis, how the process is happening, all these you can take the information, everything, the detailed part is given. And if you want to go more beyond that, it is given what are the different stages of photosynthesis, how does photosynthesis vary in different types of plants, about chloroplast, all these are given. Even the equation is also given here. Another feature of Copilot is that it can create image of their own, but we need to give some instructions, then only the image will be created. So let's see one example. So I'm going to type create a 2-story home for me that has a garden, trees, well, and road. This much I'll write. Well, let's see how it is created. So Copilot is saying that I will try to create that. Wow, you can see 4 different images has been created. Yeah, you can see the images, right? Beautiful images are here. You can see 2-story house, trees are there, a road is there, well, everything is there accordingly, which we have given, right? And we can download it from here also. So I'll just show. Another important feature of Copilot is that it can identify the picture, like what is given in the image. So let's see how it works. I'll copy the image, I'll paste over here. Yeah, one image picture is there. There I will be adding. I'll ask, can you help me with this image, including the ingredients and description? Copilot is analyzing the image. Wow. So you can see Copilot has already analyzed the image as gulab jamun. You can see a brief introduction on it, like how we have asked for the ingredients, right? So everything, it has been generated. A small description on gulab jamun is also there. If you want to see more details, a YouTube video is also there. And if you want to know how do I make gulab jamun at home, that also we can ask. Everything, step by step procedure is given. How to prepare the sugar syrup, how to make the dough, the shape of gulab jamun, everything from step by step procedure is given in that. From there also we can learn the things. So isn't it helpful for you? Have you ever used an AI tool before? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are excited to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yes, hit the bell icon too. Thank you for watching.